Introducing the SATONIC 8.9-inch smart dashboard screen, specially designed for the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper and Model 3 Highland. Enjoy a crisp, immersive HD display, perfectly integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, for seamless navigation, music, and more. With advanced steering wheel controls, quick access buttons, and a sleek thin-edge design, this screen puts total control at your fingertips. Open your frunk, trunk, or doors with just a tap. Drive smarter with real-time vehicle data, speed, range, battery, and more, plus an overspeed alarm with rainbow light alerts to help keep you safe. The adaptive day and night mode ensures clear visibility at all times, while the front view camera support adds extra confidence when starting your drive. Easy to install, compatible with both left and right-hand drive. Upgrade your Tesla today, only on Aliexpress.